want to solve an equation involving logarithms on both sides. Problem type 2. These are a little more tricky. And this is where the fun really begins. Okay, this is the ln of x minus 8 times 6 on the left-hand side. That is equal to the ln of x. Now, I can subtract ln x from both sides and end up with a divided by x on the left-hand side, blah, blah, blah. But it's much easier to use the one-to-one property of logarithms. If the ln of this value is equal to the ln of this value, then 6 times x minus 8 must be equal to x. That means 6x minus 48 is equal to x, or 5x is equal to 48. I subtracted x from both sides, added 48 to both sides. And this is the same thing as x is equal to 48 over 5, which is more than 8, and so that's not a problem in my domain. Okay, I want to show you how to work this if we combined it. So if we went from here to this would be the ln of, we'll say 6x minus 48. I'll go ahead and do that multiplication. Subtracting the ln of x from both sides, that gives me this, is equal to 0. And that means that 6x minus 48 over x is equal to e to the 0. Right? This is base e right here, and that's my exponent, e to the 0. And e to the 0 is 1. So that gives me that 6x minus 48 over x is equal to 1. Multiply both sides by x, and I'm right back here. So there is more than one way to get through this problem and get the correct answer. The really important step is this: check your domain and make sure that your answer works in the original equation. So in this case, I have ln x is equal to the ln x plus 2 over 3. Use the quotient rule to put this side of the equation together. And that means that x is equal to x plus 2 over 3, using the one-to-one property. Okay, multiply both sides by 3. That means 3x is equal to x plus 2. Subtract x from both sides. 2x is equal to 2. X is equal to 1. And that works for me. That says the ln of 1 is equal to the ln of 3 minus the ln of 3. Well, this is 0, right? A minus A is 0. B minus B is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. ln 3 minus ln 3 is 0. But also the ln of 1 is 0. Remember, e to the 1, or e to the 0 is equal to 1. So that works for us.